I did not expect that tornado.
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 83 has been issued until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Georgia: Albert, Franklin, and Hart, and the following counties in South Carolina: Abbeville,
I didn't expect
Anderson,
an
Chester,
expansion.
Fairfield, Greenwood, Lawrence, Newberry, and Union.
Wow.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Rock Hill and vicinity. Tonight,
Okay.
showers with thunderstorms after midnight.
But they were one county off from triggering WXL 70,
Breezy with lows in the mid-60s.
and I had quite a few radios
South winds
set.
15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Wednesday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then sunny in the afternoon. Locally heavy rainfall possible in the morning.
Wow.